The Elephant's Rope and the Power of Faith story. One day, a man was walking through a village and came across a group of elephants. These massive creatures were tied to small wooden stakes by thin ropes. There were no chains, no cages, just a simple rope holding them in place. Curious, the man asked the trainer, "Why don't these elephants break free? They're so strong, yet they remain tied by such a weak rope." The trainer smiled and said, "When they were young, we tied them with the same rope. Back then, it was strong enough to hold them. As they grew, they never tried to break free because they believed the rope still held them." The man walked away deep in thought. These powerful creatures remained trapped, not by the rope, but by their own belief that they couldn't break free. How often do we, like the elephants, live bound by invisible ropes, fears, doubts, or the words of others? In the Bible, 2 Timothy 1:7 reminds us, "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind." God created us with strength far greater than any rope or chain that tries to hold us back. The only question is, do we believe it? Now ask yourself, what's your rope? What's holding you back from stepping into the life God has for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I would like to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bless you.